I'm telling you, when I tell you, I wish like on YouTube you could feel the softness through it. It's so soft. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Camille Nicole, and this is It Could All Be So Simple. Just like the Lauryn Hill quote, it could all be so simple, but you'd rather make it hard. Well, I'm here to make it easy for you. So if that's your vibe, you're all about fashion, style, and being yourself, stick along for the journey, stick along for the ride. Just make sure to subscribe, and let's get into today's video. So today we are doing a gift haul. Gift ideas that you can get your mother, daughter, brother, sister, significant other, friends, just general gift ideas that you can give to your loved ones for this holiday season. Everything is going to be fashion related because this is a fashion related channel. Because there's plenty of other categories you can give people things like beauty and stuff like that, but that's going to be a whole big list. So we're going to stick to fashion related items because honestly, fashion items tend to be the hardest to shop for when it comes to buying a gift for someone else. Just to give people an idea of what they can get, and these are some great items that I'm sure anyone would love. So let's get into it. So the first category that we're gonna get into is jewelry. Now from a woman's standpoint, what woman doesn't love jewelry? Even guys, they're really starting to get way more into jewelry, or they can appreciate a nice piece of jewelry. So the brand that I want to spotlight is Ana Luisa. They're a sustainable New York-based jewelry brand that focuses on crafting high quality pieces at affordable prices. So this brand, which I'm currently wearing now with these two necklaces here, I have this initial C for Camille necklace and then this kind of chain necklace. I layered these two pieces together because I just love a nice layered like necklace look. I'm also wearing this bracelet here from them. I featured it in another video. It looks like a watch band. I've had people come up to me, oh, that's a nice watch, before they even notice that it's not actually a watch, it's a bracelet. It's super cool and creative and unique. So as you can see, they have some fashionable pieces, they have some unique pieces, which is why I really love this brand. Not only, they also have a 2-year warranty, so don't worry about anything, because you know sometimes people could be a little messy when it comes to jewelry. They break and stuff like that. Don't worry, they got you covered for 2 years. They have free super fast shipping within the United States, so don't worry, you're gonna get those gifts on time. With it being Black Friday, now is a great time to get those exclusive deals that you really don't see year round. Ana Luisa is already a very affordable brand, but now that it's this time of the year with Black Friday, you're gonna get even better prices that you really can't beat, which means you can rack up, have plenty of gifts for your friends. Also treat yourself to something nice. Like I said, I love these necklaces. This is like good everyday jewelry, or jewelry that you can add to an outfit just to make it pop. So you really don't want to miss out on this sale for sure. Definitely head over to them. As I mentioned, not only do they sell necklaces, bracelets, they also sell earrings and other accessories as far as jewelry goes. So definitely check them out. I'll have them linked in my description box, so you don't want to miss out on these deals. So definitely check out Ana Luisa because they're a great brand. I also forgot to mention that their pieces are water resistant and hyperallergenic, so you don't have to worry about any issues. I'm very sensitive. Actually, my skin tends to be very sensitive, and I have had no issues with their pieces. I literally wear this bracelet like almost every day. And sometimes I even forget to take it off in the shower, and my necklaces as well. And I have not had an issue. My pieces still stay nice and lovely. They haven't started to fade or anything like that. So I'm definitely in love with this brand. Make sure you check out Ana Luisa for your jewelry needs, for gifting ideas. It's definitely a great option. You won't regret it. So next category. So the next category is one that I particularly love. Well, besides jewelry, of course I love jewelry, but PJs. I love a good set of PJs. I think that actually is a pretty popular gift idea. I've literally been gifting PJs or robes and stuff like that category. Like lounge, comfortable things are always great gift options. I'm actually wearing one of the sets now that I'm gonna recommend. This is from a brand called Bamboo L. They specialize in having bamboo pajamas and products. So it's very light and airy, super smooth against your skin, has nice spandex in it, it's breathable fabric. It's something you would want to sleep in and also just lounge around your house in. And if you could get away with that, I mean, maybe run to the grocery store too. They're just really that comfortable. I actually really love these PJs. I've washed them already one time and I've had no issues with washing. You can put them in the dryer. So you want something that's going to be long lasting but also quality, and this PJ set is definitely one. It comes in different colors besides this pink. They also have a short set. And one thing I would say is that I particularly hate sleeping in long pants because I tend to sweat at night. With this set, I really have not had an issue just because the fabric is so breathable and comfortable that I could literally just stay in these all day. And that's really what I have been doing when this PJ comes into circulation. This is what I love to wear. I just really can't get enough. They are currently having a Black Friday sale, so you can check them out. If you do happen to see this later than that, you can use my code Nicole20 for 20% off your purchase. I'll have that linked in my description box, so definitely check them out and see. It's something else you really won't regret, and I'm pretty sure, like, if this is your gift, the gifters to be would actually love these. They're so cute. They're such a cute pair of PJs that you just want to just always be in and take pictures. This pockets, we love it. It's such a cute little set to have. I'm probably gonna look into getting a pair of their short set as well, and maybe these in a different color, maybe a black and a pink. I think that's so cute. You could even probably like do matching, like if you do like a little girls night matching set of PJs, that would be super cute to do. But like I said, it'll be linked in my description box, so definitely check them out. Sticking along with like kind of lounge wear, athleisure category PJs, I'm also gonna have to shout out SPANX. SPANX is doing a thing. And I was having a conversation with my mother the other day, and she's like, they don't just make like undergarments and like shapewear. I'm like, no girl, SPANX has really been doing their thing. I recently got this sweater from them. It's actually like a sweater tunic that I got from them. It's probably the softest thing I've probably ever felt in my life. So it's in this nice chocolate brown color, and it's a V-neck tunic. This is I got from SPANX. It's part of their Air Essentials collection. I'll pop up a full photo of it so you can see exactly how it looks. But it does have like some cute little detailing on it. It's part of the Air Essentials collection, as I was mentioned, and the fabric on this is butter soft. Super breathable, super airy and light. I guess that's why it's called Air Essentials collection. But it's so good. And then it has a stretch in it. The stretch that you would think of when you think of SPANX, it has that in it. It's such quality pieces. I have to run back and get this in more than this chocolate brown color. It's a great gift to give somebody that you're just not sure what they would want. Especially somebody that could use some athleisure, some relaxing. It's something that they could even wear out when they're running errands and stuff like that. I'm telling you. When I tell you, I wish like on YouTube you could feel the softness through it. It's so soft. I'm telling you, I need to get more colors. And then I also have these wide leg pants in this truffle brown heather color. So you can see that here. I'll pop up a full photo of it because you can't really see me holding it. But it's not part of the Air Essentials collection. This is part of the soft stretch collection. They really speak for themselves. They're so comfortable. They're so comfortable. Putting these two together, I love. There's also matching pants in the Air Essentials collection that goes with this chocolate brown. So you can do a matching set if you wanted to do something like that. They're just great products that they've been releasing. So I would really urge you to check out SPANX. Get some loungewear, get some athleisure, even get an athletic set because they have like lifting, stomach, tummy flat. Because these pants definitely hold the tummy in, and we love that. We love something that's gonna hold the tummy in, and we love anything like that. Super cute, super great gift idea. And also another place that has really great like athleisure is Gap. I mean, not Gap. I mean, Gap has good athleisure too, but Old Navy, specifically Old Navy's athleisure, athletic wear is so great. It's probably my go-to, like after me trying Spanx, maybe not so much anymore. But if you want a more affordable option, definitely check out Old Navy's athleisure. I wear like two of their sets all the time. I actually need to go back and get some more. Now's the time to really be getting your shopping in, especially clothing and Black Friday. You get some really great deals. Like some other things, you probably get better deals throughout the year, but Black Friday deals in clothing is a great time to shop. And also, you know, like Cyber Monday around that time, sometimes you could hold out and maybe Cyber Monday can be even better, but it's a great time to shop anyway. So this is the perfect time to start getting those holiday gifts. No matter what you celebrate, it's a great time to get gifts. So definitely look into that. So the next category is going to be sweaters. It's now probably starting to really get chilly in most places around the United States, I don't know about the world, but there's definitely some chilly places around the world because I have some viewers that are further than the United States. So, hey girls. But yes, sweaters are always great gifting options. I tend to buy my husband a sweater every year, amongst other things, but I'm always getting him something comfortable. With guys, especially, gifting guys is like sometimes their clothing doesn't last. I don't know. They can have like the best quality clothing, but they just do things to it that you're like, how'd you get a hole in the sweater? Why is there a watermark on your sweater? What's going on? And I do his laundry, so it's like, what are you doing? So I'm literally buying him sweaters every year because I feel like he runs through them. Even though I think this year he's collected a good amount of sweaters, but sweaters are a great option, whether it's for male or female. Sweaters are definitely good options. I'm going to start off with this sweater that I featured in a previous video from Banana Republic Factory. I absolutely love this sweater. It's so cute. It's a great like option. It's a nice knit that you can just pop over a look with jeans. Don't mind the tag. I have to take that off because I'm definitely keeping it. They can pop over with jeans. It has like kind of this balloon sleeve that's super cute. I'll show it how it looks like styled in an outfit. It's a great option. It comes in multiple colors. It even comes in this kind of like tealish ice blue color that's next on my list. It's so cute. Definitely, if you're a guy watching this video, your girl's gonna love this item. My friend, I showed it to her. She's like, oh my God, I love it. I've gifted my friends sweaters over the years, or like ponchos. There's this great kind of sweater poncho that's from Free People. I'll show you a picture of it here. It's so cute and cozy. We love cozy vibes. If something that keep us cozy, we love it. They're great gifting options for sure. For guys, I'll show us a photo of this sweater from Banana Republic Factory. It's like a half zip. It comes in like this quilted texture. There's a couple of sweaters that Banana Republic Factory currently has. Even Banana Republic, if you want a higher price point. I don't know who want a higher price point. Banana Republic Factory has great quality pieces of a more affordable price than regular Banana. But of course, if Banana's your vibe, which I still love Banana, I shop their sale, and they're gonna have, like I said, this is the time of year to shop because of Black Friday. They have a great sale there as well. So definitely check out sweaters categories. Look at nice chunky knits, especially since we're moving into the winter time. Now is the time to get those chunkier knits and not things that are thinner. You want to go for your wool. You want to go for your cashmere. Merino wool is a great thinner wool that's still going to keep you warm. That's great for layering as well. Your tweed, mohair, just do it all. They're great options. So definitely check out. I'll link everything that I featured just now down in my description box, of course. So that's all, guys. That's a wrap on the gift ideas. I hope you got some ideas from this video. I hope I made your wheels start turning a bit, and if you figured out what you might gift these people in your lives. I hope they love what you decide. As I mentioned, make sure you check out my links below, including my Ana Luisa link, where you can get these amazing deals on these Black Friday pieces, on these jewelries for your significant others and your loved ones. I'm sure they'll love every piece that you decide to get. Also check out the pajamas that I showed you, the rest of my links with the sweaters options. You won't regret any of that. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll check in with you guys again soon. Bye. Oh, sorry, make sure you like and subscribe, of course. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking about gifting others. What did you think of some of the pieces that I showed? And I hope you guys have a great one. Okay, happy holidays, everyone. Bye.